Congrats! Getting pre-approval is a big step toward buying your home. Here's what happens next. Now comes the fun part, finding your ideal home. With your pre-approval sorted, you're ready to start house hunting. Here are a few tips to help you find the perfect property. List your must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Research different suburbs and neighborhoods. Shortlist properties that meet your criteria. Attend open homes. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Negotiate terms and make a realistic offer. Pay the initial deposit once your offer is accepted. Sign the purchase contract. And remember, don't rush the process. Take your time to find a home that truly feels right for you and suits your lifestyle. Once you've found the perfect property and signed the purchase contract, it's time to move toward formal, unconditional approval. Here's what happens next. First, send us a copy of the signed purchase contract. Second, we may request updated financial documents like recent payslips or bank statements to support your formal application. If anything else is needed, we'll let you know. After this, we'll organize a property valuation on behalf of the lender. If there's a valuation shortfall, we'll notify you right away and discuss options. Finally, we'll then submit your loan for formal approval. The lender will review your application and may request additional info. If so, we'll contact you promptly. If formal approval may not come through within the cooling off period, in New South Wales, or by the finance clause deadline, in other states, we'll advise you to speak with your solicitor or conveyancer about requesting an extension and guide you on how many days may be needed. Once the lender is happy, they'll issue formal, unconditional approval. We'll send the approval letter straight to you. Please forward this to your solicitor or conveyancer and follow their instructions to pay the balance of your deposit, usually 10% or 5% minus what you've already paid, into the real estate trust account. While we're working on your unconditional approval, it's important that you arrange a building and pest inspection, especially if you're purchasing an established property. This inspection helps identify any hidden issues, like structural damage or pest infestations, before you fully commit. It's a small step that can save you from big headaches later. Talk to us if you're unsure, and always do it within your cooling off or building and pest inspection period. There you have it. At Mortgage Empire, we're here to make every step as easy and stress-free as possible. If you're ready to start your home loan journey or need more information, reach out to us today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting!